Hi, this is Jessica with Dining Traveler, and welcome to the Dining Traveler cooking series where we make dishes from our favorite destinations at home. And this time we're going back to my beloved Puerto Rico to make Canoas de Plátano, direct translation, plantain canoes. Basically, they're overripened plantains stuffed with meat picadillo, topped with cheese, and baked in the oven. It's very easy to make and perfect for the weekday. Let's get started. The first step is to make the picadillo. We're gonna add a little olive oil to the skillet, let it warm up, and after we're gonna add the ground beef. We're gonna cook the meat for a few minutes until the fat renders a bit before adding the condiments. So we're gonna add the condiments. We're gonna start with some sofrito. We're gonna add some adobo, sazon, some achiote oil, and tomato sauce. So now we're gonna let this cook for around 10 minutes or until the meat is fully done. While the meat is cooking, we're gonna go ahead and prep the plantains. So we have overripe plantains. They're almost black. They're nice and sweet. These are the best kind. So we cut the edges off so it's easier for peeling. And then we're gonna just do a shallow cut on the inner curve of that plantain and place it in a pot of boiling salted water. So it's been around 5 minutes, the plantains are done, so we're gonna take them out of the water. We're gonna let them cool for a few minutes and then we'll peel them and place them to an oiled baking dish. After we place them on the baking dish, we're gonna go ahead and cut them in the middle all the way almost to the bottom and open them up so we can add the stuffing. Now we're gonna assemble the canoas. We're gonna add the first layer, which is the meat, and we're gonna go ahead and add the cheese. You can use any type of cheese. I am using a French cheese called Comté. You can use mozzarella, you can use cheddar, whatever you have at home. The last step is to drizzle a little beaten egg on top of the canoas. That's gonna help is to bind the meat and the cheese together. We're gonna bake these in the oven for 400 degrees for 15 to 20 minutes until the top is nice and golden. The canoas baked for around 20 minutes. They're looking nice and golden. I'm taking them out of the oven and plating them. So this is how we make Canoas de Plátano at Casa Dining Traveler. I love making Canoas de Plátano because they're a nice alternative to pastelón, which happens to be my favorite Puerto Rican dish. It's much easier to make. So if you're craving pastelón, but it's a weekday, you're short on time, this is an option. So to my favorite part to taste. Delicious. You have to try to make this at home. I love that mix of the sweet and the savory from the plantains and the meat and the cheese. If you have any feedback, questions, please add them to the comments. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Adios. Bye.